Hi everyone, it's Marla. Happy Easter. Today Brooke is going to help me make these crescent roll breakfast or desserts, if you want to call them. They are really wonderful to have around Easter time because they help symbolize Jesus in his tomb and how he has risen. And what you do is you're going to take these crescent rolls, fill them with marshmallows, and bake them, and you're going to see what happens. So Brooke is going to walk us through this. Ready?
So what you'll need for this project is a cooking sheet, crescent rolls, and marshmallows. And optional, if you want to make them sweeter, is brown sugar and melted butter. First, you'll roll out the crescent rolls and cut it apart each piece. After you're done rolling out your crescent roll, you'll put the marshmallow inside and fold it up. And if your marshmallows are too big, you'll just cut them apart.
Perfect. So you want to make sure that you created a case around the marshmallow, kind of like a tomb.
You'll mix melted butter and brown sugar together to make the sweet paste that goes on top. Then you'll put it onto the roll.
And then what's the next step?
You'll put it in the oven.
For how long?
9 to 15 minutes.
So this is one of the finished crescent rolls. If you can take a look inside the hole, the marshmallow disappeared. So break it open, and the marshmallow is gone. Take a bite and tell me how it tastes.
It's good.
That's good. Do we need to make another batch? Definitely. Okay, so that is that.